Hi guys, welcome to this channel again. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys a simple strategy that's made me millions. So it's actually called weekly psychological support and resistance. I've actually talked about that mostly when I have the money market breakdown section with you guys on the trading Telegram channel. So I've always talked about that. I'm going to create a video on this to teach you guys. So this strategy actually works most on GBPUSD. So you can actually backtest this on GBPUSD after watching this video and see if it actually works on your own currency pair. So but I can assure you that I've tested it in so many other currency pair and it indeed worked on them. So let's dive into it and see how it actually goes. So the strategy is very simple. So the idea to this strategy is that it's more of a swing strategy in the sense that I'm just looking for just one trade a week on GU, which basically gives me 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So basically gives me 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So what am I looking for? So very simple strategy. So upon the open of the market every week, so now the market will always want to accumulate on Mondays. The market will always want to accumulate on Mondays. So which basically now I pre-assume, or rather I highlight the two 4 hours candles, the two 4 hours candle that opens the week. So that is if market opens on Sunday or rather on Monday, whichever one, depending on your on where you're watching the video from. So now the two first 4 hours candle upon the close of the two first 4, that is the first 8 hours of into the new week. So I highlight the first 8 hours, the first 8 hours of into the new week now. So now what do I expect now? So if that week now is going to be a bullish week, so I want to see price close above by Tuesday, or I want to see price close above on Monday and also close above on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday into Thursday, I want to see price come back to retest that level now, and then that's where I buy. Then I expect price to go higher. So this strategy is very simple. So all I do is just I put up my entry here, then I have my stop loss below there. So remember it's a swing strategy. So you're just looking for one setup a week. So all you just do is when you take your entry at this level here, you have your stop loss at 50 pips from your entry, and you're targeting 100 to 150 pips. So in some week now, if it's going to be a bearish week, after the first 2 hours candle has formed, you see the market expand lower. So you want to wait for the price to come back to retest within Wednesday and Thursday. That's the days you take entry. Within Wednesday and Thursday, you want to wait for price to retest back at that level of 8 hours candle. That is the two 4 hours candle. Then you take your entry upon price tapping into that level. Your stop loss 50 pips from your entry. Then your target should be within 100 to 150 pips. So sometimes market can be a little bit manipulative. So market can be a little. That's why you have to wait till Wednesday now. So in a manipulative week, we might see price expand either Monday or Tuesday up, then come back to close on Wednesday down, then on Thursday it restays and you sell. So you can have something of this nature. So that's why you must wait. Your entry must come in between Wednesday and Thursday. So sometimes market might not even come back at all to retest it. So in that kind of week, you don't have trade. Sometimes market might come back into it on Friday. So mostly when market comes back into it on days like Fridays, I don't really like want to take that trade because even if I take it, I won't swing it into next week. I will definitely close it before market close because market can open up into the new week and definitely change direction. So I don't have much thing to explain. Let's just go into the chat and let me show you. I'm very sure that you're going to be wowed with this strategy. So let's go as far as back to January this year, 2023. January 2023. So now January 2023. Let me put up the section breaker. This is January 2023. So you can see this is 1st of January 2023. So this the first day of the week. So we had this was the first 2 hours count. So you can see this is on Sunday. If you look down, you see this is on Sunday. So we have the first two 4 hours candle of the week. I highlighted them. This is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So now if you watch now, you see that On Monday now, the market closed lower. On Tuesday, it expanded lower. Then I was waiting patiently for what? Wednesday. So on Wednesday now, you see price came back to retest this level now. So that's my entry here at this candle here. So where do you put your stop loss? Slightly above this high. So let's check if it's up to 50 pips. So remember, our stop loss must be 50 pips from this level of entry. 50 pips. So 50 pips somewhere around this level here. Okay, so 50 pips somewhere around this level here. So remember, our target is what? 100 to 150 pips. So this kilo here is what? 1 to 3. So this is 1 to 3. So this is 150 pips. So you could see how price aggressively went to our take profit without stress. So this is how you swing GBPUSD without stress. So this strategy is actually very suitable for people who do normal 9 to 5 job, or students who don't really have time to look at the chart and do normal intraday trading. So that's the idea to this. So I've had a lot of students who come up with, okay, I just entered school, I don't have time. Okay, or people who do normal 9 to 5, they don't have time. So that's one of the reasons why I'm putting up this lesson here, so that you also, who is not my student, can also learn from this and also trade with ease. So trading is very easy. So I don't know why some people try to make it complicated. So you can see, so this is a new week again. This Monday, see we highlighted the first 12 hours candle, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now this Tuesday and this Wednesday now. So now in this kind of week now where you have the market consolidating, so it's better to wait, because most cases the market will just expand. It won't give you. So mostly I want to see the market make move on Tuesday. Then I want to see it come back to retest that level on Wednesday. So in this kind of week now, I completely stay off. So let's look at the third week here. So you see we have Monday. Monday we have to highlight the first 2 hours candle. So look at it now. Then on Tuesday, price was still within the range. So you can see here this was the example I gave you. So I told you sometimes the market might be manipulative. They'll try to trade lower before they trade above. So Wednesday and Thursday now. So I would have been expecting price by Thursday to retest this my level of what? Entry. So which is that level here? So which is here now? I would expect price to retest here now. Then remember, your stop loss has to be 50 pips from your entry. Your stop loss has to be 50 pips from your entry. Then your target has to be within 100 to 150 pips. So this is your stop loss, and your target has to be what? 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So you have to be targeting 100 to 150 pips. So this is 150 and 160 pips here. So now price now on Wednesday failed, right on Thursday failed to tap into my entry. So this was a missed trade for me this week. So price failed to tap into my entry. So let's go into the next week. So you see, 2 weeks now, no entry. So we had a 1 to 3 here. So the next 2 weeks we didn't have any trade. So now with this strategy, now you see that you trade less, because one of the problem of some persons is that they over trade, and when they make money they end up losing it before the month runs out. So with this strategy I'm teaching you here for free now, so it helps you to trade less, and you find out that your win rate is definitely going to improve. So now this is the next week now. So we had Monday here, we have highlighted our first hours and the Tuesday. Then look at Wednesday now, which is the last week of the month now. So Wednesday here into Thursday. So see price came back to retest our world cycle. So now one thing about this strategy is that you don't need timing. So all you just need to do is just put up your limit entry and just go to work. Then on Friday come back and close your trade either on profit or on loss. So now 50 pips stop loss. Remember 50 pips stop loss. Then our target is what? 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, right? Good. So this is 150 here. We have 150 somewhere around here. So which is giving us 1 to what? 3. So remember. So you see that? Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So this now in a month now, January, I was able to take 1 and 2 trade, right? 2 trade only. So and you see, look at the win rate. You took 2 trades and you won the 2 trade without stress. So now let me show you now into February now, right? First week of February, right? So we have on Monday, right? Tuesday. Look at Wednesday into Thursday. Wednesday into Thursday. Look at it again. Price came back on Thursday, right? On Wednesday to retest our psychological support and resistance, right? Remember, our stop loss has to be what? 50 pips from our entry. Our stop loss has to be 50 pips from our entry. So this is 50 pips. 50 pips somewhere around here. So now remember, then our take profit has to be 100 to 150 pips. So you just have to target 100 to 150 pips. So you can just make it basically 1 to 3. So 150 pips. So let's see that. So you see, so very simple, no stress. Very simple, no stress. So here is it. So let's keep on going. I won't. You can back. You can see we started from January. I have this all throughout till September. This is what I do mostly every day. So this is what I do mostly every week. So I just take these trades and very simple, straightforward trades. So there's no need of stressing yourself with the whole lot of concept, buy side liquidity, whatever, all those things, other block demand, all those things. You don't really need all those things. This is just very simple. I like the first 2 4 hours candle of the week. Wait for the market to expand Monday into Tuesday. By Wednesday into Thursday, allow it to come back to retest that level and boom, take your trade, put 50 pips stop loss, 100 pips target or 150 pips target and go to your work. Allow the price to play out. So now this is Monday. We highlighted our 2 4 hours candle. Tuesday price expanded lower, came back to close above. Then by Wednesday now, look at here now, price retraced. So now I'll be expecting price to go higher now. So now my entry definitely going to be here at my PSR here, which is psychological support and resistance. Then remember, my stop loss has to be what? My stop loss has to be 50 pips. Remember, my stop loss has to be 50 pips. Plus 50 pips. Please don't make your stop loss more than 50 pips. Don't be greedy. So what's our target? Our target is 100 to what? Shit. Our target is 100 to 150 pips. So we can target within 100 to 150 pips. So let's see how it goes. This is 150. So you see, 1 to 2. So this is very simple. Very simple. Like that, see, straightforward. Your trade almost got to TP before it reversed. So okay, you see, this was into the next week. It smashed your TP. This was into the next week. So they expanded, came back to your entry again, and it never got your stop loss. Next week again, smashed into your thing. So now this week now, look at this week now. So I had Monday expanded, Tuesday expanded. I expected Wednesday to come back and retest and give me entry here. Remember, stop loss 50 pips. Stop loss 50 pips. So let's look for 50 pips. Okay. So these are 50 pips somewhere around there. Our target would have been 100 to 150 pips. 100 to 150 pips, remember. So you see, so this one actually hit our what? Our stop loss. So this actually hit our stop loss. So you see, so it's no matter how good it looks, so it cannot always work out 100% every time. So look at another one again here. The next week again, you had another stop loss again. The next week again, you had another stop loss again. So this was on Wednesday. So they'll definitely be looking at 1 to 2 again. So let's see, 50 p stop loss. So I'm actually trying to make this video very short. I'm trying to make this video very short so that I won't be spending much of your time, because I understand that one thing about YouTube is that you guys love very short videos. So 50p somewhere around here. Okay, so we're targeting 1 to 3, which 1 to 3 somewhere around there, which is 150 pips. So 2 straight weeks we lost. So let's look at the third week again. Let's look at the third week again. Okay, good. So let's look at the third week again. So this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday slightly tapped into it, didn't. Let's look at Thursday, price tapped into it. So remember 50 pips stop loss. So let's see. 50 pips stop loss. So these are 50 pips. And our target is what? 1 to 3, 1 to 2, right? Good. So this is 1 to 3, right? So you see, this came almost did as if it's going to hit your stop loss, gave you 1 to 2. This was about 1 to 2 before it switched over. So if you know how to manage your trade very well, so you see, you had 2 weeks of loss, then on the third week, market gave you 1 to 2. So in this kind of week now, where the 4 hours candles are very big and market does not really give some kind of clear expansion, I completely stay off. So here now, let's go into the next week again. Monday, Tuesday they came to retest that. So since it has retested that, so on Wednesday I'll be looking for some kind of retracement that will give me a continuation entry. So on Wednesday, so Tuesday has retested, so I won't expect Wednesday to retest again. So I'll be looking for some kind of retracement which market gave here. So remember 50 pips stop loss, 50 pips stop loss, and then you target within 100 to 150 pips. So don't be greedy, don't target more than that. So this is still around 50. So you target within 1 to 2, 1 to 3, right? Going into the next week, I think your objective would have gotten hit here. So this going to the next week, you see, you got opportunities. So here we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So just like that. So let me move fast forward and still show you guys some examples also. So if you watch all this, you see that I have all these marked. So this is basically what I trade almost every week. Almost every week. So I have this on my swing account. So whenever you have the week now, Monday, Tuesday, consolidated, so now don't expect that to happen by Wednesday. So you need to clearly see you need to clearly see market expanding Tuesday so that it can come back to retest it on Wednesday. So this is another good example here. So look at this now. So you see, this was on Wednesday, price came to retest, and then let's see 50 pips stop loss. 50 pips stop loss, remember? So that's it. So we're targeting how many pips? Targeting 1 to 3, right? See that? Very smooth, very smooth. So this is very, it worked. In fact, the strategy worked very well. Out of 10 trade, you're definitely going to win 6. You're going to win 6. It has about 60% win rate. About 60% win rate. So this is another one again here. Targeting 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So let's see if this goes up to more than around 50 pips. Then 50 pips should be somewhere around here. So you see, this is it. So very smooth, very smooth. So this is basically, so actually would want you guys now to go back and study this strategy, and I want you guys to leave on the comment section and tell me what you observed and how it has actually changed your trading career when you must have actually incorporated that into your trading as now. So catch up with you guys some other time.